Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another series of reads. This reading that I've started, I'm going to be doing this set of reads for every sign out there. I've done a few already, so yeah, but this reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. Topic of the reading is going to be the love notes from your person. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, you really want to know what is it that they secretly wish to tell you, then this reading is definitely going to get you insight of that. We will first ask the question using the tarot, and then we will be pulling out the messages, cards as well from your person. So whoever it is that you are dealing with, you really want to know what is it that they want to tell you. We're going to find that out in this reading. So yeah, before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick up the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I readings. So Sagittarians, let's find out whoever it is that you are dealing with. What is it that they secretly wish to tell you? What is it that they wish that they could share, but they are hiding their true intentions, feelings for you? Let's find out. What do they want you to know? Sagittarius, let's find out your person's energy. What is it that they want to tell you? The Magician. Seems like, your person is... they do see you as a magician. Your person really feels like you are the magician, and you are manipulating them and their energies right now. You have been staying on their mind lately, and that's exactly what they are feeling right now. They feel kind of, entrapped thinking about you. It seems like, this person is unable to do anything right now, and they are too heavily focused on you. They really want you to know that they feel that they are smitten by you, in love. So yeah, let's see more cards here. The Hierophant. Wow. Three of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. They don't feel like doing anything. They really want you to know that they have lost their interest in their work, family, friends, everything. And they are heavily thinking about you, and they are heavily focused on you and only you. They don't know what has happened to them, but they don't feel interested in anything. They have lost their interest in all the things that have kept your person busy. It seems like your person is, it's more of that energy where they're feeling left alone as well. Maybe you have pulled away from your person, or maybe the connection that you had with your person has ended already. This person might have told you that I'm busy, don't disturb me, this and that, and all those things that they were doing, ignoring you. Now all those things that they were doing is something that they hate doing right now. They don't want to deal with that. They don't want to give their time to all those things that they used to give time to. They want you, and they want to reconcile with you. And this person, whoever it is that you are dealing with, they are unable to understand why this is happening to them, why they have been losing interest in all the things, their friends, family, everything. They hate everything. They don't know what is happening here. So it seems like a person is upset, really, really upset here. Let's see more cards here. Two of Wands. Wow. And Five of Cups. All their goals that they wanted to achieve, they are losing interest in all of those things. They don't want anything. They are not happy getting all their goals now. All they want is to be with you, and really want you to know that they are hurt, they are disappointed. They are, the things that they thought will bring them happiness is definitely affecting them in the wrong way. They fail to get happy getting what they wanted. And wow, they are definitely, thinking heavily around you. Underneath the deck, we do have the Ace of Pentacles. Underneath that, we do have the Knight of Swords. Underneath that, we do have the Nine of Wands. Underneath that, we do have the Queen of Wands. They have been thinking heavily about you. This person is definitely not in touch with you, whoever it is that you are dealing with. Seems like, they really know one thing. You are not going to give this person any chance until unless they have something stable to offer to you. So this person is definitely not happy right now. It seems like an ex for majority of you, but it can be a current person as well. But you have told them that look, if you want something stable, you have to bring some stability in this connection. Otherwise, it's over. This person is heavily thinking about you. They are unable to take you out of their mind. You are getting their attention. You are going to receive communication coming from this person as well very soon. Let's see, what is it that they wish to tell you? What are their messages for you? What is it that they are feeling right now without you? I still love you unconditionally. They really want you to know that they love you. Maybe you love them in, maybe they loved you in the past, but somehow things didn't work out in this connection. Maybe they were like too focused on their work, too focused on other things and other areas of their life, and now they kind of regret that because they still love you, and they are losing their excitement to do anything. I replay our conversation over and over again. This person, if they have your conversations, be that in shape of text messages or voice messages or otherwise as well, in their mind they do replay the conversation again and again because they are missing you so bad and they really want to fix things up with you because they thought that they are going to be happy without you. They thought that they will be okay without you, but that's not the case here. It's like your person is definitely missing you bad. I hid who truly I hid who I truly am from you. This person have been kind of hiding their maybe true emotions for you. Maybe they always kind of hid behind the work, their passion for work, their family, their friends. They never gave into this connection with you. They always told you that I'm busy with stuff, and they kind of kept you on waiting. They kind of maybe have taken you for granted as well, and now they are regretting all of those things that they used to do to you. Why? Because they have lost you now and they are missing you and they really want to make amends and come back to you. Let's see, last card. I hide behind material things. This person is somebody who has been hiding their true emotions from you since forever, and I feel like this person could be somebody who's very emotionally constipated. They don't share their feelings and heart out easy. So this person is somebody who have their guards up against you and now they regret doing so. Let's see what else they want you to know. I love the way you love me. It feels so right. They miss the way you love this person, and they really feel that that feeling is something that made them feel so good, that made them feel so positive. They used to feel like their confidence, their ego used to boost up whenever they knew that you are going crazy for this person. You were madly in love with this person is what I'm picking up, but this person never took you valued you, and now this person is really regretting for losing you by taking you for granted and the love that you had for them also. I try finding you in everyone I meet. This person has been trying to move on, but they fail to do so. They cannot, it's more of that energy where they are unable to let you go of their mind. They have been heavily thinking about you and they are finding it very hard to it's more like somehow they feel that they cannot have you, and then when they try to move on, they meet new people, they try to find you in them. So it's more of that energy where this person is unable to move on from you as well. Neither they are able to stay with you. Somehow they feel like maybe you are not going to give them a chance. Somehow they believe that you are like you have basically evolved, and that you don't want anything less than this, and maybe this person has as of now they don't have this to offer. So maybe they are holding themselves back still, but yes, they are trying to move on from you. But then I feel like this person will be like I said, this person will be reaching out to you very soon, but at the same time, let's see if they will be coming to give you something stable or not. Financial differences that we have will be an issue. My family won't approve. For some of you, the family issues could be the case. For others of you, the financial issues could be the case, which is basically stopping this person from taking a step forward towards you. Now, whatever has been the case, whatever is the case, your person is unable to take you out of their mind, and that's going to make this person to come forward to you to do something which can basically reconcile the situation between the two of you, which can basically fix and the broken relationship that you have with this person. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading helped you to know your person's energy, do like, share and subscribe. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.